Alright, so since I have to set this platform up, I will go ahead and set it up the way I do on my trading view. So for Fibonacci extensions, which is the colored lines that you see built in here, I really try to get rid of a lot of the lines, and I just focus on a select 3 actually. So I'll just go ahead and deselect these. There's actually a point, 0 point, oops, go back here. Back here. Okay, so what we want is 0.618, 0.786, and the 1.618 is the 3 that we want. Do the 1.618 as red, and then the other 2 are yellow. So let's do those. Trend line, I will usually make very, very unnoticeable, but just enough so you can see it. See, it's right here. Boom, boom, I like to make it like that. And then it looks like, not sure if you can save on this platform, KuCoin. However, you can save these on TradingView, so I recommend saving the settings like that. And then this is kind of how I get the actual price targets. And I'm just gonna make these colors a little bit less bright. I'll just show TradingView right now. So for TradingView, I actually have these set like this. So it looks like I do actually have 0.76. Okay, so then this is orange. Alright, so that's how we get the price target set up here. So just kind of go over like a little, I guess, higher level of what we're looking at. We're looking at the price line. This is the price line here, and it's actually hovering over these prior 2 retests. So this was a cup, we had a handle form, a retest, rejected, boom, we have another retest here, and now we're retesting, or sorry, another breakthrough there. Now we're actually retesting that breakout now, right here. If you look at this, it has structure though. I think that is the most important thing to look at. We're looking at structure. This is a triangle. It's pushing up into new high. It looks like it wants to push into new highs. It's actually trading along its VWAP, which is this purple line here. It's VWAP. Make this thicker. I like to make my VWAP thick, so I know that it is the most important price on the chart. For the retracement lines, I do use a different set of numbers, so I use the 382, 38.2%, the 61.8%, and the 0.5. So everything else I don't tend to generally use. Before I have to use it, I just draw in another set of fibs. You can really draw them in on pretty much any move on a chart, and you'll get, you know, key numbers. I mean, you do want to use like the most recent moves or the biggest moves, I think is the most important. So, and then for the colors here, do green, turn down the shadow here, and then yellow for this. Then for the coordinates, let's go ahead and make it the same. And then that should be good. Okay, so we'll just do that. So basically, on this move from here to here, we had a natural retracement into the buy zone, which is the green zone. The yellow zone is the, you know, this is where you should be. Sorry, this should actually be flipped. This should be. And this should be 3.68 is yellow. Okay, so let's do that. Yellow and then green. Okay, so for TradingView, it's literally the opposite. I don't know why this is the way it is, but the green is like basically the buy zone. Anything below the green is kind of like it's like a pretty, I don't really use it too much because I use different things, but it's kind of like a stop loss area. If it goes below the green, like that's kind of an asymmetric exit. In the green is a nice asymmetric entry. In the yellow, it could have some more selling before you should buy. This was perfectly like right before VWAP, so this lined up with everything. Technicals are strong on dot right now. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you guys got a lot of value out of seeing the retracements, the extensions, and then just some of the commentary on how the price action is structured and how that's important to the trade as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys give me a follow and make sure to turn on the subscribe or the alert bell, because these are sometimes more time sensitive updates like my weekly updates. Without further ado though, you guys have a good rest of your day, night, or what have you, and happy trading.